I work in the medical device reprocessing department.
The what?
I know, not many people know us, but we play a key role in keeping patients safe.
We collect reusable supplies and equipment so we can clean them. And I mean really cleaning them.
We are a team of 17 certified reprocessing technicians, and we work around the clock 24/7.
We use a special products and procedures to decontaminate, assemble, sterilize, store, and redistribute surgical trays. Basically, any clinical instrumentation our medical staff uses during surgeries and other procedures.
First, we manually clean each item, then we use ultrasonic cleaning equipment. Finally, the item goes into an automated washer that uses detergents and enzymatic products.
Every month, we handle around 55,000 pieces of equipment used in the surgicals and other patient care. And when you see this blueware, you know it came through our shop.
This delicate but thorough work is crucial. It ensures that our patients are safe for every procedure.